Hi guys, well it's really noisy and the energy in London is terrible. I can't wait to get home. Football, you know, and Wimbledon. I was on my way somewhere and got off the bus because I couldn't deal with it. Anyway, this is Battersea Arts Centre. It's at the top of my road. Allegedly built in, I don't know, 1893 or something. But look. Some of the old architecture. So many people around, and I'm surprised at how many Colombian people there suddenly are in London. I'll go around the side in a minute because it's interesting, you know. But watch the World Cup television intro because it's got everything in it. Flat Earth, comet, ISIS, dragon, the pyramid, and the old architecture. Even the old architecture's in it, so watch it. If you put it on YouTube, I'm going to leave a link at the bottom of this video. Watch it in slow-mo. It's quite disturbing. I haven't checked to see if the clouds are in it, but the clouds are certainly here tonight. So I'm going to pause and we'll have a look around the side, see what we can find. So I'm here at the side of the building. Another one of those characters up there. There's our curly Q things I can never remember the name of. The roof burnt down. This is all the new build. Yeah? It's taken them about 3 years to do it. It took them 3 years to build the whole building as well, apparently, in the Victorian times, which I think they always rebuild. Keep these bits, build that, move down a bit more. I always thought this infinity build was quite amusing. That's saved. Look at the detail on that little bit of roof. And behind here, you can just see the tip of it. It's the most amazing dome. But for the last 3 years they've had this fencing stuff all around it, so anybody who was inquisitive about wanting to see what was at the bottom of it hasn't got a chance. But if I move down the hill a bit, we might get a little bit more of a... But it's huge, isn't it? Of course this wasn't an art centre originally. This is all the new roof. I think that is original. The ends are original. It's a bit disappointing, I know. Might be able to get something here, yeah. Sort of original stuff here. So yeah, burn them down a bit, tart them up a bit. I also think that a lot of houses, these are the system clouds here. Look at these, how beautiful they are. They're quite faint, but awesome. I also think that a lot of so-called Victorian houses were just, with basements, were built on top of basemented houses. Right, here we go, look, here. This is original, this end. And we got like a filled in. God, that's pretty neat, isn't it? Bricked in. And this is quite an interesting street. Look. But look how ornate these little houses are. So I don't know how this mud flood worked. I don't know if it was just bubbling up from underground or who knows. All the trees are newly planted, aren't they? You don't get any tree older than 100 years or so in London. And these houses behind, which I probably won't be able to get to, are basemented at the front and have gardens at the back that seem to have been sort of like dug flat. I don't know, you see, right, I don't know if I can do this because peeping into people's gardens here, man. We've all had like conservatories and posh stuff built on. But yeah, they do seem to be flush at the back, so, but still, it seems funny to have this funny little hill here. These funny little houses. They just seem a little bit squat. Okay, well, I'll be back.